today I am making hot cross bun bliss balls. They are Easter Bunny approved and you and your kids are going to love them. So for this recipe, I'm using 1 scoop of the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder. I've got half a cup of rolled oats. I've got 1 cup of pitted dates, which I'm currently soaking in water. I'm using the juice of half an orange. I've got a 1/4 cup here of sultanas. I've got half a cup of almond milk, a 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut, and then my spices. So what I'm going to be using is a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So to make my balls, what I'm going to do is first drain my dates. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of date water in there, and then I'm going to pop pretty much everything into my blender and blend it until it creates a nice mushy texture. From there, what I'm going to do is roll 1 tablespoon amount of that mixture into balls and then pop that in the fridge to set.